Hello, this is Lisa Langell with AIMSweb. One of my favorite tips as a certified AIMSweb trainer to share with customers is how to use the tier transition report and also display a list of students that are building that report. First, as a classroom teacher, I'll click on my tier transition report. Once I'm here, I'm able to see the percentages of students and the count of students that are in each category within the report. But if I want to see the actual list of students, all I need to do is click one of these links at the top, fall, winter, or spring. I'll click winter. Once I do, I'm brought to a list of students and how they perform across each category. From here, I can actually go even further and click on a student's name to bring up their box and whisker report. That's my tip of the day. Hope you have a great day. Take care.